Hello everybody, welcome back to another quick unboxing of an iPhone 12. So we've got an iPhone 12. This is a 128 GB model. So it's actually, well, it's a significantly smaller packaging from previous iPhones because it does not have the adapter as well as the earphones included in it. It just has the cable and the iPhone, and I'm pretty sure it will just have a couple of stickers and all. So if you compare to previous iPhone packaging, so Apple actually saving a lot. So I've got an iPhone 7 Plus box. So this is the box of the iPhone 7 Plus, and that is a significant size difference. So this comes with the phone and the charger, the Apple earphones, and this is actually a significant size difference, and Apple, they are saving quite a bit. So yeah, so unless you have a adapter and a charging cable, you'll have to get those if you don't have that when buying this phone. But this is actually high-end phone when you consider the specs. It's actually lightweight, 164 grams. It has the Gorilla Glass front and back with the aluminium frames. It's supposed to have the dual SIM ability with the nano SIM, IP68 water resistant, up to 6 meters for 30 minutes. You can use Apple Pay, and it has a Super Retina XDR. So this is the blue color one. You will get the black, the space gray, the green, and purple colored ones as well. So, and you have the red, right? So this is having actually 460 pixels per inch density, so color accuracy is going to be really good. Scratch resistant oleophobe coating, which is the normal. You get the Apple A14 Bionic chip, the Apple GPU, which is 4 cores. So this is the 128 model. This is having the NVMe hard drive. This will be really fast, as usual with Apple products. You will get 2 cameras here, because the Pro and the Pro Max will have the 3 cameras, the LiDAR scan camera, which is the third one, but this will have the 2 12 megapixel cameras in the back, as well as one 12 megapixel camera in the front. So the front facing camera will be an f2.2 aperture, 12 megapixel, while the back cameras are f1.6 and an f2.4 ultra wide. So you have the normal dual LED true tone flash, and you can record 4K from the back and the front both at 60 frames per second, and if you want full HD at 1080p, you can record 240 frames per second. You don't get the 3.5mm jack. The audio jack is being scrapped for some time now by Apple, so you only have the lightning port, and the audio you have to get it from that, unless you are using a pair of Apple AirPods or something like that. And you get the normal usual Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and the Face ID ability, but the thing I'm interested is battery life on this. So this is having a 2815 milliampere battery, which charges in with the fast charging 20 watts. It says up to 17 hours with multimedia, but we'll have to have a look at that, because the old iPhones, the Plus models, like, they had a larger battery size, and well, this is having the A14 Bionic, which is a 5 nanometer chip. So that, I think, is going to save the battery life on this quite a lot. So the heat production for that will be less, and the processing power it has. The quick unboxing here. So it has a slit here, yeah. So this is the opening here. So you just slide this piece of plastic here, goes out like so. So yeah, so this is the iPhone 12 Blue 120 GB, designed by Apple in California and assembled in China. So let's see. Okay, so this blue is, well, It's a slightly different blue, I think, compared to the Pro Max and the Max. But it definitely feels and looks very nicely designed. So the two 12 megapixel cameras here, the 220 flash, and so just keep it there. So this is, like I said, the cable. So you get the lightning cable. So that's that. And yeah, SIM card removing. Oh, one sticker. So that's the iPhone 12.